When looking at your price list, you may notice that some rows have no current buy box. This is for two main reasons. Either there are no current sellers, there are 0 FBA and 0 FBM sellers, or it is because the buy box is suppressed, meaning that Amazon deems that the price is too high. If you wish, you can override this buy box by just clicking in the empty field and entering a new price. You can also click on the pencil icon to choose a desired price you like. If you want to override the entire list, meaning every single row within the price list, simply click on Actions and go to Buy Box Override. Here you have various options. You can override it with a current buy box. You can use the maximum eligible buy box price, which is the price where the buy box starts appearing, the 30, 90, and 180-day average, and you can choose to apply it to only the ASINs that have no current buy box, or you can do it to every single ASIN in the list. For this example, let's do the 180-day average and apply it only to the ASINs with no current buy box. As soon as you apply this feature, you can see the notification appear over here. Let's go over some of these. This one here, we can see that the buy box average was $16.35 and it was applied to this and it brings us to a profitable state. This ASIN here still says no current buy box. That's because there is no 180-day average. You can also clear this by just clicking Actions, Buy Box Override, and you can click on Clear All.